Funnel cake is one of those simple pleasures that we have in this world. It's just fried batter and then covered in powdered sugar. What? I'm gonna show you how to make it today. It's very simple, but I'm gonna share a little twist using a very trendy tuber nowadays, the ube. This is anything but trendy in Filipino cuisine. Actually, it's very popular in desserts, and it's a yam, so it's a little sweet. I'll show you what it looks like inside. I don't need a knife. I got it. I'm gonna channel my inner Filipino warrior. It's very easy to cook. All you have to do is peel it. You can either boil it or steam it like I did here, and it turns this very beautiful deep purple. The batter for this is very simple. It's similar to a pancake. First, I'm gonna go in with the wet ingredients: an egg, vanilla. Now this isn't a wet ingredient, but I like to add the sugar now. A little whiskey. I smell the vanilla. It goes great with ube, trust me. I love this color. Makes me feel like a pureed everyone's favorite purple dinosaur. Now for the milk. My last wet ingredient is some lemon juice. I'm gonna save that for a little later because I wanna show you something really cool. Now for the dry ingredients, some flour into another bowl with a sifter, along with some baking powder. This might seem like a lot, but it's gonna make it really airy and crispy, and a little bit of salt. If patting it takes too long, just take a spoon, roll it around there, just like a sifter would. Now combine the wet into the dry very slowly while whisking. Oh yeah, look at that color. Looking good. Now, get ready for some science time with Jen. Have you ever cooked with blueberries before? And when you put them in a muffin, your muffin turned out green? Well, that's because of anthocyanins. So it's a type of antioxidant found in very color-rich foods like red cabbage, purple yams, and when it's combined with something alkaline, right, like baking powder that we put in here, it turns green. It's nothing harmful, it's just a chemical reaction that happens. So when this funnel cake cooks, to help it not be as green, you're gonna add some lemon juice to add acidity. It'll balance out the alkaline. And that's why I left it to the end to show you, because it turns a really light pinky color. Look at that. Next step is to fry it. Now I have some oil heating up here to about 350 degrees, and what makes funnel cakes a funnel cake? The funnel. If you don't have a funnel, no worries. You can also fill up the batter in a Ziploc bag, snip off the end, and just kind of pipe it in. If you don't have a funnel with one of these stoppers, you can just use your finger as a stopper, fill up the batter, and then release it into the oil. Just use a little measuring cup to fill the batter into the funnel. Now I wanna make small size ones, so I'm not gonna go around the entire pan, but I'm just gonna go release the batter very carefully in small circles, and then zigzaggy around just to fill up all the little nooks and crannies. Look at that color. Now I've done this before where it didn't have any acidity in it and it just turned green, and I was like, whoa, science, weird. To flip it over, take a tong and a little spatula, lift one side and use a spatula to help you turn it over. Look at that. Now let it cook for a couple more minutes. It doesn't feel crispy right now, it just feels a little soggy, but trust me, the moment you pull it out, it's gonna be super crispy. And there it is, ube funnel cake. How awesome does that look? It's so crispy, light and airy. Okay, standard powdered sugar right on top. Oh yeah, and then a little twist. Are you ready for this? Sweetened shredded coconut. Ooh, this should be eaten immediately, so I have to eat it now, I'm sorry. It's so good. That coconut just rounds everything out. Oh, you thought I was done. I made a mini funnel cake because I got some ube ice cream here. Made this myself. You can also get this at Filipino groceries. Check this out. Ooh, funnel cake ice cream sandwich. Wait for it. Oh. looks so awesome. Okay, how do you eat this? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good. I can't even finish this video. All right, I hope you guys give this a try. I'll see you next time. Bye.